Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to remove background on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. So open a project, and if you want to remove the background of your video, go to the lower bar, tap to the edit button at the lower left corner of the screen, and you can find the cutout option. Tap that, and here you can find the first option, the remove background. Just tap that, and you can use the turn off cutout or the cutout stroke option, and if you finish, click the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. And sorry, at the left side you can find the remove background percentage, and you can find your removed video. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.